If you're looking for ways to make your winter camping experience a little more comfortable and much safer, you've come to the right place. Colder weather, at least for some, seems to inspire a desire to get out and explore the great outdoors in the crisp, fresh air. When the temperatures start to drop, winter camping is such a great way to enjoy the outdoors. In this video, we'll share some favorite winter camping hacks that will make your trip a little easier and more enjoyable. Choose the right tent. Not all tents are created equal, and some are better suited for winter camping than others. When choosing a tent for winter camping, make sure to pick one that is going to be a dependable shelter in the wind, is waterproof, and holds up under winter weather extremes. Breathable fabric is very important for cold weather tent camping, as this will help to keep you dry and comfortable in wet and cold conditions. Coleman cabin tent is a heavy yet super reliable option for winter camping. Its instant tent sets up in just 1 minute. Fits 1 queen-size airbed, 5 tint windows with 1 door. Its integrated vented rainfly improves airflow. Its WeatherTech system with patented welded floors and inverted seams to keep you dry. Choose your pitch carefully. You'd be surprised by how much protection something like trees provide from the elements. Camping under some trees or next to a small hill, bushes or a fence means your tent won't have to withstand quite as much wind. Just avoid camping under snow-covered branches in case they snap and fall in the night. You should also point the door of your tent downhill to avoid cold air entering your tent when you need to leave your tent. Be mindful of condensation. Condensation can turn things chilly in no time. You might want to bring an extra towel with you and wipe down the walls of your tent in the mornings. This will help to keep your stuff dry and prevent mildew from growing. You might also want to vent your tent in the morning for the same reasons, even on the coldest days. Also, in order to avoid condensation inside your sleeping bag, resist the urge to burrow deep into it, covering your face. Instead, wear a nice warm hat and cinch down the hood of your sleeping bag. Invest in a quality sleeping bag. If you're going to be spending any amount of time camping in cold weather, it's super important to invest in a really good winter sleeping bag. Look for one that is rated for extreme cold weather and has a temperature rating of at least 20 degrees below the expected nighttime temperatures. TETON Sports Celsius 0 degree sleeping bag is a super reliable option for winter camping. Its soft lining, half-circle mummy-style hood keeps you warm and your pillow clean, unzips at the top or bottom for easy access and ventilation. You'll be warm and rested in this sleeping bag. Innovative fiber fill, double-layer construction, and draft tubes work together to keep the warmth in. TETON bag is for one person. If you are looking for a two-person bag, then Coleman 0 degrees Fahrenheit mummy sleeping bag for big and tall adults is the best choice for you. Bring extra blankets. Not only will these come in handy for a bit of extra heat while sleeping, you can also wrap up in them while sitting at your campfire for extra cozy points. You can also lay down blankets on the floor of your tent at night for an extra layer of insulation. Cover your tent with a tarp. It's like a blanket for your tent. This winter camping hack means you not only have extra protection against rain and snow, but also helps insulate your tent a bit more, keeping you warmer in the process. A top beneath your tent can also be a helpful way to insulate yourself against the cold of the ground. Be smart when using heaters. A space heater can sound dreamy when thinking of braving the outdoors in winter, but you have to be very mindful with these, and remember that no heater is 100% safe. Gas heaters are very effective and portable, but produce carbon monoxide while depleting oxygen. Meanwhile, electric heaters require a power outlet and a heavy-duty extension cord. Be mindful of your batteries. Cold weather saps the batteries of your gear, so you might want to put your head torch and other battery-operated gear, as well as your phone inside your sleeping bag at night to keep it warm. You might also want to bring an extra power bank to recharge your phone. Stuff tomorrow's outfit in your sleeping bag. Starting your day by wriggling out of your cozy sleeping bag when it's chilly to change into cold clothing is not ideal. Instead, choose tomorrow's clothes the night before and stuff them in your sleeping bag as you go to bed. This will keep your clothes warm, and with some impressive wriggling, you might even be able to get dressed in the morning without having to leave your sleeping bag. By using all these simple yet effective methods, you will get super winter camping experience.